5 healthy vegetable juices that aid weight loss, immunity, more. Number 1. Carrot and ginger juice, the immunity booster. Carrots are not just great for your eyes, they're packed with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in your body. This powerful antioxidant improves your vision, boosts immunity, and enhances skin health. When you combine it with ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory root, you get a drink that not only helps boost metabolism but also supports fat burning and digestion. Health benefits. Strengthens the immune system. Aids in digestion. Promotes weight loss. Improves skin and eyesight. Number 2. Beetroot juice, the natural blood purifier. Beetroot juice is often called a natural blood purifier, and for good reason. Beets are high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and boost stamina. This juice is especially great if you're feeling tired or low on energy. Its high iron and antioxidant content make it perfect for boosting immunity and improving exercise performance. Health benefits. Enhances metabolism. Improves blood circulation. Detoxifies the liver. Supports immune health. Number 3. Spinach and cucumber juice, the green fat burner. Spinach is one of the healthiest leafy greens you can consume. It's rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K, combined with cucumber, which is 95% water. This juice becomes a hydrating and detoxifying powerhouse. This low-calorie drink is perfect for those on a weight loss journey. It keeps you full, supports digestion, and helps flush toxins out of your system. Health benefits. Aids in weight loss. Supports hydration and skin health. Detoxifies the body. Strengthens bones and muscles. Number 4. Bottle gourd, lauki. Juice, the weight loss secret. Though often underrated, bottle gourd or lauki is one of the best vegetables for weight loss. It is extremely low in calories, high in water content, and rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and magnesium. Drinking bottle gourd juice in the morning on an empty stomach can help reduce hunger pangs, improve digestion, and flush out toxins. It's also beneficial for those with high cholesterol and blood pressure. Health benefits. Accelerates fat burning. Improves digestion. Reduces cholesterol levels. Keeps you feeling full longer. Number 5. Tomato and celery juice, the detox duo. This vibrant red and green combination is more than just pretty, it's incredibly healthy. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a strong antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting and heart-healthy properties. Celery, on the other hand, is a natural diuretic that helps reduce water retention and bloating. Together, they form a refreshing drink that cleanses your system and boosts metabolism. Health benefits. Detoxifies the body. Reduces inflammation. Supports heart health.